What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. As you can see, I am here at the lake right now. Second kayak tournament of the year, I don't know, but we're out here fishing. It's been like 3 weeks since I've been out here on the water. The last video I did was with Malcolm. It was a 1v1 fishing challenge, so it was here at Diablo, so I kind of know. I don't really remember. Maybe I'll look over the video to see what they're eating. There's a lot of people here, but a few kayakers. 1 2 3 4 5 6, probably about 15 or so. We'll see if we can make it happen. Not too sure what the fish are doing. Not really seeing any fish bust around me. I've seen a few here and there, but it might be a tough day. But we'll get out there, be quick as we always are, try and make it happen. Let's get to it. Gonna see if I can catch one with this jerk bait, and then I'm gonna try a worm, like a slim shake. Let's go up to some banks, see what I can get, but see if this works out for a bit. I'm gonna try and catch one in this cove, even if it's just a small one. Gotta get a head start. Got one. First fish of the day, everyone. Got him. Got him. It's a little fish. Baby fish. Alright. He was up on the bank trying to feed on fish. I hope he counts and helps me out. I hooked him in the eye a bit. Sorry, buddy. Hope this fish counts. Alright, folks, first fish of the day. Little smallie. Gonna go ahead and, oh, buddy. Gonna go ahead and let him go. Back in the water he goes. Kept seeing him bust on some bait right there, and kept persisting, and he took it. That's a fish. Oh my gosh, I just lost him. Right here. Look at that. Look at that. He took half my bait. Oh my gosh. He was swimming with it too. Must have been a dink because he took half my bait. That's a fish. That's a fish right there. That's a fish. Get in here, buddy. Alright. Second fish of the day. Let's freaking go. Alright. This guy is aggressive. 804, we caught 2 fish. Not bad. Okay. Got enough pictures of this guy. Second fish of the day on the tournament. 8 o'clock. There was like 5 people fishing this earlier. They didn't catch anything. We got the right bait. We just gotta persist. Not bad. Gonna go and let this fish go. Oh, he soaked me. Dang it. Alright, let's keep fishing. There's like 2 kayakers right here, and they're just like looking at me. One gave me a thumbs up, the other one gave me the death stare. ¿Cuántos? Nada. You? I've caught 2, but that was early in the morning. It slowed down, and I can't with the wind. It's tough. Yeah, with the wind it's tough. You need an anchor. You need that, or you can throw an anchor out. Yeah. I put a rope and tied myself off. Yeah, I like to move around. That's the thing. So yeah. It's tough. All right, good luck, man. Yeah. All right, guys. Alex just caught one. I'm looking at Alex right now. I was gonna go ask him how many he's caught. Yo. How many have you caught? That's your first one? Yeah. You? I've caught 2, but that was early in the morning, dude. What size? Huh? What size? One was a smallmouth. It was a little small, and then let me see that one. Yeah, the other one was like about that size. That was my 3rd one. Huh? My 3rd. It's your 3rd? Yeah. I caught 2 15s. 2 15s? Yeah, and then this one. Oh, you're beating me, dude. Have to, bro. You have to. Yeah, I think my brother caught one, but he took the picture wrong. You could barely even see his oh, his thing. His thing, and then the fish's tail was kind of like bit. Bruh. On like Ricardo. But that was his first one though. His was like I think 14 too. You got any snacks, dude? Oh no. No, dude, I'm starving. I'm gonna go fish over there. I'm gonna try and beat you, man. Alright guys, well, just talked to Alex. He's beating me by 1 fish. I got some catching up to do. And the other fish he caught were bigger than mine, so even at that, I gotta pull out either one big one or two big ones, or two decent sized ones. I'm not getting any bites. I've lost other fish, but it's tough. Oh my gosh. I just lost one. I lost a good one. Oh, that's the one I needed. That's the one I freaking needed. That's a fish. That's a fish right there. That's a fish right there. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get in here. Yes. Yes, came off right here in the yak. Oh, he's a long one too. He's a little long. Nice, nice. Alright, so Alex has 3. I got 3 as well. And but he might be in the lead either way because he's got some bigger fish. So after this I'm gonna catch one more. Just so I could beat him in inches. Alright, buddy. There you go. It's back in the water. I think I got enough pictures to where it's okay. I am struggling. I am honestly really struggling, but that might do something good for me. That's one. Here, buddy. Alright, I finally got the hook out. I gut hooked him. He's bleeding a little bit, but he'll survive. I'm gonna go ahead and get a measurement on this guy real quick. 4th fish of the day. No, don't jump. Oh, he's a long one. He is long. 4th fish of the day. That should put me ahead of Alex. Not bad, very long fish. Small fish, but very long. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. He's bleeding a little bit. I'm gonna revive him because I'm sure he's tired out. That was probably one of the hardest gut hooks I've tried to take out. There he goes. Oh, that one was tough. That gut hook was tough to get out, but we made it happen. 4th fish of the day. Let's freaking go. Alrighty. That's another fish. That's another fish right there. Get over here, buddy. Alright guys, another fish. There we go. 5th fish of the day. We're limited out. Gut hooked him, but I got it out once again. We are limited out. Now we just gotta focus on quality. See what we can get. Let's freaking go. Alright folks, that is going to effectively end today's video. It's currently 3 o'clock and I am exhausted. Been here since 7. As you can tell, I'm burnt. I am tired. It was a crazy day, honestly, but I don't know if I put the footage in there, but I got 2nd place. Somehow I managed to come in clutch there at the end. I went 2 hours without catching any fish, and then I started slaying them. I maxed out my limit. Yeah, I got 2nd place. Not bad. Got a good payout. Not a bad day. Honestly, that was insane how there at the end I came in clutch, persisted, and made it happen. So thank you guys for watching. I know I haven't uploaded or I didn't say a lot this video because I was just so focused. These videos, like tournament videos, I'm just so focused and in the zone trying to catch fish, but hopefully y'all enjoyed it. I'm gonna try and make a new video pretty soon on other things, but there goes Alex. Alex fished with me too. Alex Mark 5, if you haven't checked out his channel, go check it out. But we fished with him. He got 3rd place, I believe, which is pretty cool, pretty good. Not a bad day. Everyone struggled. Even I struggled there for a bit, but we made it happen. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, smash the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.